I'm Lucy from the Creativity Patch, and I'm going to be demonstrating my Sheila Loom that I sell in my shop. I'm going to show you what the wood and steel dowels are used for with this loom. The yarn wound onto the loom should be nice and tight, so after winding it on, the wood dowels are inserted to add more tension. The steel dowel is for separating the warp threads, so I weave it into the yarn on the loom. We call the yarn wound onto the loom the warp. I go over and under each warp thread all the way across the loom. Here's another project in which I'm using fabric as the warp. The steel dowel has already separated the over and unders of the weaving, so all I have to do is slide my weaving needle through. On the return, I do need to weave over and under each thread. So the steel rod speeds things up and is the best way to weave on a little loom like this.